Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Study Delight. Welcome to another video of current affairs. So we are going to see the topmost questions of current affairs of 2nd November 2020, and the PDF of this video is in description. So if you like the video, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. So let us go on with the first question. Which state signed MOU Memorandum of Understanding with Games to support MSMEs in partnership with Omidyar Network India? Answer is option number C, Punjab. Punjab signs MOU with Game to support MSMEs in partnership with Omidyar Network India. Disclosing this, Industries Minister Sundar Sam Arora said that the agreement is supported by Omidyar Network India ONI, an investment firm focused on social impact under its recently announced Resolve initiative. So let's move on with the next question. Question number 2. Which nation's army launched indigenous mobile app application Sai? Answer is option number B, India. The Indian Army has launched a secured messaging application platform named Secure Application for Internet, S for Secure, A for Application, I for Internet, short form SAI. This mobile application for Android will support end-to-end secure voice, text, and video calling services. This application is similar to applications like Telegram and WhatsApp. So let's move on with the next question. Who inaugurated the fourth edition of Indian Energy Forum? Answer is option number A, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi has inaugurated the fourth Indian Energy Forum by Sera Week organized by HIS Market. The theme of this edition is India's energy future in a world of change. India is the third largest and the fastest growing aviation market in terms of domestic aviation, and Indian carriers are projected to increase their fleet size from 600 to 1200 by 2024. So you can see here, this is Narendra Modi, energy future in the world of change. Narendra Modi will inaugurate the fourth Indian Energy Forum by CERAWeek. Okay, so let's move on with the next question. Who inaugurated Virtual Festival of Parampara Series 2020? Answer is option number C, Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu had launched the Virtual Festival of Parampara Series 2020, National Festival of Music and Dance organized by Natya Tarangini in partnership with the United Nations. Natya Tarangini has been organizing this for the past 23 years. So let's move on with the next question. Who inaugurated the new special store near the Statue of Unity? Answer is option number D, Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated Ekta Mall, a special store constructed near the Statue of Unity in Gujarat's Kevadia, where tourists can buy handloom and handicraft products belonging to different states under one roof. After inaugurating the Ekta Mall, PM Modi spent a considerable amount of time at stalls selling traditional items from Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast region. So let's move on to the next question. Which country extended $1 billion? So let's move on to the next question. Which country extended 1 billion credit line to Central Asian countries? Answer is option number B, India. The second meeting of the Indian Central Asian Dialogue was held virtually under the chairmanship of External Affairs Minister of India, Dr. S. Jaishankar. The foreign minister of all the five Central Asian countries, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan participated in the meeting. So let's move on to the next question. National Unity Day was being observed on which date? Answer is option number C, 31 October. In India, the Rashtriya Ekta Divas or the National Unity Day is observed every year on October 31 since 2014 to commemorate the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year marks the 145th anniversary of the great leader who played an instrumental role in India's struggle for independence and later during the integration of the country. So let's move on to the next question. Which Indian movie has recently bagged an award at the 14th Asian Film Awards 2020? Answer is option number B, Gully Boy. The 14th Asian Film Awards AFA14 AFA14 were announced virtually by the Asian Film Awards Academy AFAA. Ranveer Singh and Alia Bhatt starred Gully Boy bagged the award for the best original score at the event. So let's move on to the next question. How much amount of line of credit has been announced by India for the Central Asian countries during the 2020 India Central Asian Dialogue? Answer is option number D, USD 1 billion, 1 billion US dollar. The second meeting of the Indian Central Asian Dialogue was held virtually on 20th October 2020 under the chairmanship of External Affairs Minister of India, Dr. S. Jaishankar. During the meeting, India announced US $1 billion line of credits for priority developmental projects in Central Asian countries. So let's move on to the next question. Who among the following has been awarded with the Lifetime Achievement Award at the 2020 India International Film Festival of Boston? Answer is option number B, Om Puri. Late Indian actor Om Puri was honored with a Lifetime Achievement Award at the third edition of the Indian International Film Festival of Boston, IIFFB 2020. So Om Puri died, and this is the image of Om Puri. So let's move on to the next question. World Psoriasis Day is observed every year on dash. Answer is option number D, 29 October. The World Psoriasis Day is observed every year on 29 October by the International Federation of Psoriasis Association. So in short form IFPA. So let's move on to the next question. What is the theme of World Cities Day 2020? Answer is option number B, Better City, Better Life. Okay, so here written World Cities Day is observed on October 31, 2020, and its theme is Better City, Better Life, valuing our communities and cities. And the second meeting of the Indian Central Asian Dialogue was held virtually under the chairmanship of whom? Option A, Nirmala Sitharaman. Option B, Nitin Gadkari. Option C, S. Jaishankar. Option D, Rajnath Singh. This question has already taught in this video, so better is this you answer this in comments. And this was the last question for this video. And if you like this video, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Study Delight, and please share this video, and the link of the PDF link of this video is in description. And thanks for watching.